Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage dual connection on your headphones Redmi Buds 4 Pro. So I have a phone who have the application, and I connected these headphones to this phone, this first device, and the second device have no connection with the headphones. Now open the application on your first device and then click on additional settings. Right here we have dual connection, so click here to enable it. Now click pair new device on your second device and press and hold functional button to enter pairing mode. Here we go. Now click on it right here and pair. And as you can see, I just connected two devices to the headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.